How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video is a little bit of a different one. Usually I don't like to talk about this because it's not really directly related to Uber and Lyft drivers, but there was one thing that I did read in this article that I was like, wow, I need to show it to you guys. So I'm gonna go through that. But basically, Uber is now like releasing their air taxis, like flying cars. They have their whole, like, it's crazy. They have their whole concept, and they actually do have one that does exist, you know, as from whatever, allegedly, they do have one that does fly, a flying car. It's real. So I'm gonna get into that, into the article and go over that, share with you guys my thoughts. You know, I'm just sitting back, relaxing, drinking my iced coffee. I'm almost done though, yikes. So I gotta get a little refill after I'm done. But if you guys like these videos, I don't know, I really do like just chilling. You know, I'm just in my room, you know, I'm not in my studio. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos where I just share quick informational videos with you guys. You know, this isn't like a breaking news story. This is more just like a big update that Uber announced. So I guess you could say it's a breaking news, but like I said, isn't directly related to drivers except for one thing in the article, which I did want to share with you guys. So let's get into this. This is by Forbes. Forbes is a huge company. They are a very reputable source. Uber snags airport landing pads for its air taxis and a partner to run its skyports by Jeremy Bogaisky, aerospace and defense deputy editor for industry. Look at that guy. He almost looks like an Uber driver. Maybe he is an Uber driver. Okay, let's go. Here we go. This is a proposed design. Okay, so this is proposed. This is not real, guys. This is just proposed what it would look like to have flying taxis. I guess this might be just, I don't know if this is flying cars or the helicopters. But yeah, driving customers to the airport is a major part of Uber's business. That is true. I can't tell you how many rides I've done to the airport. Probably 1 out of every 5 rides. And it could be even more important for its planned urban air taxi business in early days. Okay, guys, so this is an air taxi. Maybe not, it's almost like a flying car though. Significant airport facilities will become Uber Air landing pads, and the company will run Uber's other skyports as well. Yeah, oh, look at this guy. This guy definitely looks like he would be my, whoa, what's going on here? Oh, this is just an ad. Never mind, I thought he worked at Uber. I'm sorry, getting sidetracked. Uber is hoping to launch a flying taxi service in 2023. Oh my gosh, in the US, in Dallas and LA. Oh, I'm down to try that out. If you guys want me to make a video in 2023 when it comes out, give the video a thumbs up. If you guys are still watching, that's 4 years, guys. Let me know. Let me know how old you'll be in 4 years, you know, and you know, I'll make the video for you guys. Okay, so here we go. I'm Joe Swanson. Uber's aiming to start with 7 locations, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, oh yeah, and then let me see. Uber's targeting routes that would save a high number of travelers 35 minutes or more if they take air taxis rather than ground transportation. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Remember at the beginning I said there's one thing, it's right here. Basically what it means is that people will do less trips to the airport, or from the air to the airport, because they will now be flying more. So actually these air taxis could hinder you know, rides that you and I take. It might decrease rides that you and I get. So let me know what you guys think. Would you take an air taxi, you know, a flying car, flying helicopter, whatever you want to call it? For me, it's a flying car. For you, it might be a helicopter, because these things do look like flying cars, and they're pretty much, you know, at this point, you know, Uber is basically, you know, they're a flying car service. What do you want to say? They're not, this is no helicopters. Helicopters are news for news. Yeah, look, as you guys see, from $9 per seat mile and $6 per seat mile. So for $6, guys, you can take a flying car for $6. They're almost 170 electric air. I'll leave this article in the description so you guys can read it. There is a lot in here. You know, you can even read the fine print afterwards. You know, this girl right here, maybe she's showing her, you know, look at this flying car. You want to take one? And she's like, heck no, I will rather drive. You know, she looks, you know, she's in the doctor's office. She's already a little sick. She doesn't want to take a flying car. Urology, yeah, there's a lot going on here, guys. Oh wait, oh no, yeah. Is this a new article? Oh guys, sorry, I accidentally went to a new article. Never mind, guys. Okay. He's trying to feed the robot. Honestly, guys, there are robots now. What is our world coming to? Why can't we just remain chill and be like normal people driving? I guess you gotta do the next and best beautiful thing. Let me know what you guys think. Again, there's been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I will see you all next time. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. Smash the like button. See you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Later. Peace.